Hello, my name is Amber Hudson. I am the Education Director at First Makerspace. Here in the state of Indiana, we are ready to welcome spring and March Madness. For the first time ever, all NCAA collegiate tournament basketball games will be hosted in our state. In honor of this event, this week's project of the week will focus on how to program Dash to shoot a basket. If you have a Dash robot at home, please join us in playing along. To be able to shoot a basket with Dash, you need the accessory launcher kit. This kit will include the launcher, the headpiece for the launcher, and 3 small balls. One of the most important pieces to making this work correctly is to attach the accessory the right way. The launcher will attach to Dash using the orange ear holes or arm holes of Dash. So the launcher needs to attach to the bottom and the headpiece will attach to his head in the ear holes. Each one just connects snugly in place. For the launcher to work appropriately, everything has to be positioned just right. You'll want to make sure that the launcher and the headpiece can touch one another so that when the headpiece moves, the launcher extends. For this particular activity, we are using a basketball hoop that we purchased from Amazon. See the link below to find this exact one. However, you can make a basketball hoop out of just about anything. What's nice about this particular model is that it folds up into a nice storage box when you're done using it. In order to program Dash to be able to shoot a basket, we need to get to the Make Wonder Blockly portion, which will allow us to connect our robot to the Blockly app. You can use the app found in the App Store, or you can use the web-based version by going to makewonder.com. I have Class Connect, so I'm going to click there to be able to get to Blockly. If you don't have Class Connect, you can still use the web-based version. Once you're within Blockly, being able to program Dash to use the launcher accessory is very easy. I'm going to go to Create New and a blank project and create. This will give me a blank Blockly board. On every Blockly board, you will always begin with the Win button. So this is sending a message to Dash that when he starts, he's going to need to be able to do something. In this case, to be able to program him correctly, he does have to drive forward just a bit. So I'm going to click on the drive icon, which is over on the left-hand side, and choose forward. When I choose on this particular block, if you have not used Blockly before, what makes it so great is that it literally is very simple. You're just connecting the blocks together. When I click on the forward block that I just chose, I can adjust the distance in which he moves forward and the speed at which he moves forward. I'm going to change this one to 60 centimeters forward and leave him at a normal pace, normal speed. The last one that I want to choose is to go all the way down here to the bottom list of icons and choose accessories. You'll notice that there are 3 types of accessories that come with Dash: the launcher, the sketch kit, and the gripper building kit. I'm going to choose the launcher. And at this point, once Dash is driven forward, I need him to be able to launch the ball. I'm going to start by beginning to have him launch with 100% of his power. This is my Blockly language that I'm sending to Dash to tell him exactly what to do. The plus sign up here in the upper right-hand corner will locate and find my Dash robot, which will connect, once I pair it, connect to Dash and allow me the opportunity to be able to run the program, which you'll see here in just a moment. At this stage in the game, if it doesn't work properly, if he doesn't move far enough forward or he moves too far forward on your basketball court, you're welcome to readjust and make adjustments here. So I may decide that I don't need him to travel very far of a distance. Maybe I need him to travel faster or slower. I can change that here. I also might not want him to launch with 100% power. Maybe that pushes the ball too far. I can make those adjustments here as well. With Dash, I have found that it is trial and error to get a basket made. So it will require a lot of small adjustments to be made on these very simple 3 steps. Once you have scored a basket, then you have accomplished the task. My other suggestion is that you don't have to have a basketball hoop like the one that we are showing here. You can easily make a basket out of a trash can or a homemade basket to allow the opportunity for students to use this particular game. So let's try and see how you do. Here is the program I created for my first attempt at a shot. Here is another version where dash moves a greater distance with less launching power. And because we're honoring March Madness, we might as well have a version in slow-mo. For more lesson plan ideas and videos, visit the First Makerspace YouTube channel.